Yo, it's your boy Scuba Steez coming back to you with another video. Today we're going to unbox the infamous WYZE Robot Vacuum. Been waiting for this thing for like I think it did the startup on WYZE in October or November. So I haven't been waiting that long. So I was one of the first people to to back on it, and I got the little free item that they gave me. Well, I didn't get it yet because the one that I want, the WYZE Cam version 3. It's not in stock right now for people just to buy. They're still shipping the pre-orders, but I did get the WYZE Robo Vacuum. I guess one of the first people to back it. So I got mine's kind of early. It's January 12th. They said it would be here like the end of January, so they're a little ahead of schedule. All right, so let's get to this unboxing. I'm trying to do this one hand. We're going. My daughter's not with me today, if y'all. Alright, if y'all know. One hand stand over here. Alrighty. You got a box inside a box. I like it because you know how FedEx do. They dropped this bad boy out today, and they threw that junk right on the porch. No, they rang the doorbell. Alright. I think we got it. Yep, we got it. All right. So you get a box inside a box. Move that out of the way. Pull that. Do the whole foot and pull thing. Alrighty. Move that out the way. And you get a box that looks just like the other box. Move the scissors out the way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the top like so. I like to keep my boxes looking somewhat alright. Maybe we gotta open it from this side, turn it around, and ta-da! Another box. Who would have known? So you get your robo vacuum manual. Get this out the way. Then you have your robot vacuum dude. Get another box. See what's in here. For y'all that like feet, giving y'all some good action. Alright, so you get your power cord. I'm thinking this is a docking station. It's not like those other companies, I'm guessing. So yeah, you get your docking station right here. Sets up like this, and I guess the robot goes to it. And so on and so forth. Alright, we're gonna figure this out. And then what else you get in the box? You got two little things right here. Pull these out. These are the brushes, it seem like. Some weird looking brushes. I wonder if you got two of them on here. So we're gonna unpackage this bad boy right here. We're gonna try and set this bad boy up while we at it. Ooh, man, nice and glossy. Any of y'all got cats that like to jump on your stuff? Man, you might have to watch out, okay? All right, what does it say here? Remove before use. All right, so we don't need no instruction manual. Remove that thing, all right? Move that, throw it in the box. Got another one, remove before use. Throw it in the box. Nice. Alright. Oh, so you get two of them just off the rip. So that's where you're gonna put if you can see it, if you're autofocus, that's where you're gonna put the brush at. You got two of them in the box. There's the other one right there. Go ahead and throw this bad boy on right quick. I'm gonna open up the app on my phone, and we're gonna try and make it do what it do, baby. Alright, pops on just like that. Alright. Let's go on the app on my phone, pull up the WYZE app. We're gonna go to add device. Now they sent me an email saying that if you get the robot before January 29th or something like that, you need to add it because there's an issue with it being added after January 29th. It's the 29th or the 26th, so keep that in mind if you're watching this. All right, press and hold both buttons. It says. So, okay. Oh. Wait until the vacuum says Wi-Fi connection has been reset and the Wi-Fi and the button starts flashing. All right. It didn't say none of that, as you can see, but it is flashing. All right. Hit next. Oh shit, my bad. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and put my password in. Trying to see how easy this is. All right. Just put in my password. Save password. Sure. Connect your phone. All right. It is connected to that. Oh, connected to that. All right. Let me see if I can find it. Let's see. It's not really popping up and I'm right beside it. All right, let's see. Connect your phone to WVCR-XXX, the vacuum recreated Wi-Fi network. All right. Didn't really do that. Let's do it again. Oh man, maybe I need to press those two buttons till I hear that sound. All right, let's go back to the WYZE app. Let's go back. All right, we're gonna add the robot. So y'all getting this live, man. Wait until the vacuum says Wi-Fi connection has been reset and the button starts flashing. All right, we're gonna do it again, baby.
Wi-Fi connection has been reset. Awaiting network connection.
There we go. That's what we had to do, baby. All right. Put my password in again. All right. Okay. Load it in there. Choose your Wi-Fi. Bringing this up to this thing again. This time it's gonna be there. There we go. WVCR connecting to that. Now we're connecting to the robot's Wi-Fi. Still blinking. It still got a little blinking action. Alright, there we go. We connected. Now we're gonna go back to the WYZE app for y'all iPhone users. Fiddle. Alright. Connecting. This could take a minute. I'm gonna be here y'all gonna be here with me the whole way, man. Y'all gonna see how long this thing takes. Hopefully it only takes a minute like they said. You can see in the background that thing still blinking. Alright. We ain't doing no fast forward here. Might need to, my battery's getting low. Alrighty. Oh my goodness. Bad timing. I'll be back with y'all in a second. Y'all just sit and wait. Alright, so we back at it like a crack at it. It finally connected. Didn't take that long. I think the first time I got the phone call, I got a FaceTime from the old lady. Had to take it. Alright, so there we go. We're gonna name the device. Let's go with home vacuum, because I don't think I'm gonna be getting another one of these. Maybe, I don't know yet. Share with family members? Nope. Incomplete. That's apparently all you need to do. Complete setup. Oh, no. Alright, plug your charging station into an outlet. Please make sure, I can't even read behind the camera. Please make sure there's no obstacles within 40 inches in front of the charging station and 20 inches on both sides. Alright, well, let's go do that right quick. Go and get our charging station ready. Try and get this done with one hand again. Sound like an old man. Alright. The dude off of Family Guy. Okay. Alright, there we go. Alright, so How are we supposed to? All right, so that I'm figuring it out, that means somebody else might be trying to figure it out. I think, yep, there we go. All right, cool. Plug that bad boy in there like that. Alrighty. There we go. 42 check weight, baby. All right, we're gonna plug this bad boy in right here in the corner, because that's where it's gonna reside, at least for now, until the wife tells me that it needs to go somewhere else. Plug that bad boy right there. You're gonna get a blue light. It looks white, but it's blue. I don't know. Come back over here. Excuse the mess. That's where all the boxes go. All right. It says plug your charging station into an outlet. So we're gonna hit next. Connect your robot vacuum to the charging station. Place your robot vacuum in the front of the charging station. Align their metal induction strips, or align so their metal induction strips are touching. So we're gonna take this bad boy over here. We're gonna get it going. Okay. Oh.
Starting to charge.
Oh, there you go. You heard it. You heard it here first, baby. Starting to charge. All right, and that's what the screen looks like when you're just about done. Now, since it's new, you got a new firmware update. We're gonna hit update on that bad boy. Well, we're gonna do that. Yeah, we might as well go ahead and do that. Update. In this update, please do not turn off your vacuum. Don't plan on it. So when this gets done with this update, I'll come back to you, because I ain't trying to sit heavy. Y'all sit here. These things usually take a minute, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get back, and we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. Quick little update. I literally went to go take the trash out, or not the trash out, but the trash cans around. Walked back in the house, and the robot said, "Your upgrade has been complete." All right, so basically, that's it. It wasn't even that long, maybe 2 minutes at the top. So it comes when I showed you the app, maybe y'all didn't catch it, but it came with 49% charging. It's charging right now. I'm gonna hit the button. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the button, man. Go ahead, see what happens. Hit the button. It says it's cleaning. I ain't really doing too much right now. Okay. All right, this thing taking its time, man, you know. Alrighty. Operation failed. That's what it said. Let's go. I'm gonna hit stop. Are you sure you want to end cleaning and return to charging? Yeah, sure, man. Maybe you gotta let this thing charge up all the way before you let it clean. Y'all might not get to see the cleaning thing today, man, because I got to go to work. Operation failed. Yeah, man. We know this. We know this. Come on, man. Stop cleaning. It's already returned. What are you talking about? Let's go back. Home vacuum. Loading. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Alright, well, setup. Y'all saw the setup. The setup's pretty easy. But this thing is acting crazy. Alright, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. Yeah, it should be connected to. Go ahead and restart the app. Y'all see I got so many things on the WYZE infrastructure, man. I love the version 3 cameras, man. Those things are crazy. Alright, still loading. I guess I'm gonna just let this thing charge. It's gonna be another video. It's gonna be kind of crazy video, cause I'm not ending on a good note for WYZE. Y'all need to get y'all stuff together, man. Clean schedule, suction level. All right, we can go through the app if y'all wondering. Cleaning schedules, you can set those up. Of course, the app not working right now. Suction level, that's not working right now, cause it's. All right, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try something right quick. We gonna do this. We gonna do this. All right, there we go. There we go. All right, there we go. Took it out the charger. Took it out. All right, I ain't gonna say that. All right, now we're gonna hit clean. See what happens. Uh-oh, hear a little something going on. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Ended on a good note with y'all. Bad boy doing circles. Burnouts. Alright, he's trying to figure out where the world's going on. It's supposed to have some radar stuff going on. Like that, you know. I wonder if I could change. Oh, why is it going back to the station? He's like, nah, man. I'm trying to get this charge on, dog. Oh, it really is going back to the station. You got, lazy. Return to charge. That's not what I asked for. All right, man. Maybe it was like, man, I need to give me a little charge going on first before I start doing everything you want me to do, man. All right. So now we can choose. I want me some strong suction levels. All right, can't do that right now. All right, so y'all gonna have to come back to this video, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that stuff that the YouTubers tell you to do, and let me know in the comment section below if you want to see another review of how this thing cleans up in his house. You know what I'm saying? No, I sound super early 2000s with the his house, but you know you gotta do that thing, man. Let me know. Give me some comments or some comments, questions in the comment section. Let me know how you like this video. It's probably way too long, man. It ain't gonna be like 16 minutes because I gave y'all some real life information here. You know what I'm saying? But you know what? Love y'all. God bless. And we'll see you in the next video.